A crucial aspect of dog healthcare is deworming. Deworming is the process of giving an animal an anthelmintic drug to kill internal parasites. It helps in the prevention and treatment of parasite infections in dogs, which, if ignored, can result in major health issues. Unfortunately, there are a lot of myths and misconceptions about deworming in dogs that might influence pet owners' choices regarding their dog's health. In order to help pet owners make wise decisions, we will debunk common misconceptions regarding deworming dogs. Some common misconceptions. 1. My dog doesn't have worms, so they don't need to be dewormed. 2. Deworming is only necessary for puppies. 3. Deworming is harmful to my dog. 4. I can tell if my dog has worms just by looking at them. 5. I can deworm my dog myself using over-the-counter medications. Myth number 1. My dog doesn't have worms, so they don't need to be dewormed. One of the most harmful dog deworming myths is this one. Many pet owners believe that their dog doesn't need to be dewormed if there are no signs of worms present. Several worm species, however, can infect dogs without expressing any symptoms. In other cases, symptoms won't appear in dogs until the infection has progressed significantly. Because of this, it's crucial to consistently deworm your dog, even if they don't indicate any symptoms of a parasitic infection. Myth number 2. Deworming is only necessary for puppies. Deworming is crucial for dogs of all ages, even though puppies are more prone to parasite diseases than adult dogs. Adult dogs are at risk of worm infections and may need to be dewormed to maintain their health. The frequency of deworming your dog will depend on their lifestyle, risk factors, and specific parasites that are prevalent in your area. Myth number 3. Deworming is harmful to my dog. When used as prescribed by a veterinarian, deworming drugs are generally safe and effective. The potential adverse effects of deworming drugs may worry some pet owners, although they are typically mild and short. In exceedingly rare circumstances, dogs may have an adverse reaction to the drug. The advantages of deworming much outweigh the risks, and it's vital to keep in mind that parasite diseases left untreated can negatively impact your dog's health. Myth number 4. I can tell if my dog has worms just by looking at them. While it's true that some parasitic diseases in dogs can manifest with noticeable symptoms like weight loss or an enlarged tummy, many worm kinds might be challenging to find without specialized testing. This is why it's crucial to frequently test your dog for parasites, even if they don't exhibit any symptoms. To determine whether your dog has worms or other parasites, your veterinarian can do a fecal examination. Myth number 5. I can deworm my dog myself using over-the-counter medications. Unfortunately, deworming fails to provide dogs with parasite diseases a long-term prevention. If dogs ingest an infected prey animal or come in contact with contaminated soil or feces, they may contract worms again. This is why it's crucial to periodically deworm your dog and take precautions against reinfection, such as immediately picking up your dog's feces and separating them from other animals that might be contaminated. Using ineffective dewormer, incorrect dose, faulty administration are some factors which can lead to failure of deworming in dogs. That's why it's recommended to consult your vet. Conclusion. There are a lot of myths and misconceptions about deworming in dogs, but it's important to keep in mind that it's a vital aspect of pet health and well-being. By dispelling these widespread misconceptions and offering precise information, we can help dog owners make decisions about their dog's health. Don't forget to have your dog's parasites periodically checked for and have them dewormed after consulting with a veterinarian. Together, we can assist maintain the health and happiness of our furry companions.